Hi, I'm Dr. Maisha Akbar, an assistant professor of speech and drama, and I'm here today to talk to you about how to create a brick wall backdrop for a children's play. The first thing you need to do is gather the necessary materials. You want to put together some paintbrushes, a 3x2 flat like the one I have here, and at least 5 different colors of paint. The next step is to paint the bricks. You want to use your red paint to create your bricks. I dipped my paintbrush into my red paint, not using too much paint, and made one broad stroke across the bottom of the flat. I left a 1-inch gap and proceeded to paint another brick all the way across the bottom of the flat. After the second row, I continued that pattern all the way up the flat until I reached the top. After I painted the bricks, I went back in with my other colors and created highlights and lowlights to create an overall stylized effect. And that's how I created a brick wall backdrop for a children's play. I'm Dr. Maisha Akbar. Thank you for watching.